Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Hales and I make videos about the books that I'm reading. So I did consider whether or not I wanted to continue to film in my bedroom, and I'm going to continue filming in here because the library is atrocious right now. So while I deal with that, I'm just gonna film in here. But it's fine. It's cute enough. But today I have my Probably Smut Book Club Book of the Month. So I am going to unbox that and see what, I know what it is, but see what it looks like and what all came with it. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I did already cut the tape that was on it. So we're just gonna open it right up, and that is what it looks like. Ooh, okay. Okay. Ooh. All right, there's more in here. Oh, because it comes with a journal. Okay, so I don't want to unpackage it because it looks so nice. Like, I'm going to stop and take a picture real quick. Okay, so I have moved a little bit, but we are going to open this, undo all the work that they put into making it so pretty. Oh, okay. So you get a little pack of stickers. We'll go through those in a minute. And then you get an annotation key bookmark. The back says new kink unlocked #mask talk, and it's Ghostface, and Scream is my favorite horror franchise ever and has been for as long as I can remember, so I love that. And then you get the tabs that go with it, and they, I believe, go into the journal that comes in your first book club box. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Let's sit that there. Pepper, don't come out from under the bed and take that string. Okay, so the book is Lights Out by Navessa Allen, and oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is so pretty. The back says, I didn't want him morally gray. I wanted someone with a soul as black as night. And it looks like that. This is so pretty. Okay, and then there is a letter from the author printed in the front. This is so cute. Okay. Okay. Lot of trigger warnings. A lot of trigger warnings. Dark stalker rom-com with heavy themes. This is gonna be fun. This is going to be fun. Ooh. Unintentional cannibalism. Yeah. For everyone brave enough to ride the handle is the description. So that's okay. I'm obsessed with this. I am super obsessed. So let's go through the stickers now. So this one is at the Faceless Man. So I'm guessing that these are all going to relate to the book, which is really cool. I'm already thinking that I'm gonna end up putting the book club stickers on the journal. Oh, this one says morally gray, and it's got the Scream mask in there. One that says new kink unlocked. One that says I like my fictional men tall, dark, and dominant. And then the Probably Smut Book Club sticker itself. So yeah, I would assume that the Faceless Man is going to have something to do with the book, even if they don't all completely have something to do with the book, although I think they do, but I also think I saw some of these on the website maybe. Oh, and then we also have these little book review inserts for the journal as well. So that's awesome. Let's open the journal. Okay, and it just says book journal. It's gray. I think stickers should stick to it well enough. Yeah. And you just clip them right in. I'm sure that scared my cat, but it's fine. She's already scared because there's a thunderstorm. Poor thing. You know what? I'm gonna probably do this off camera as well. Okay, so I was incorrect. The annotation tabs don't go in the book journal, but I did slide them into a little slot. So they're in there now, so it's all together. But yeah, I am super, I don't know. The main character's name is Josh. So now I'm just gonna think about Joshua Bassett. All right, well, that's gonna be interesting. Yeah, I think I am immediately going to be jumping into this. I've been waiting for this. I am really excited that September was the month that I joined because I have been wanting to read this, and it came today, October 3rd. So super excited. I did completely forget to end the video, so if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!